Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have EXO marshmallows for April, so let's get in here and see what our flavors are. If you haven't seen me unbox this before, EXO Marshmallow is a $29.95 subscription box to marshmallows. Yeah, I said it. You get two 12 packs of marshmallows and you get a bonus item, which you never know what it's going to be. What have we gotten in the past? I've gotten coffee. That was a really good one. I have received that heart cup. Oh, 1 month we got a milk frother. So you really have no idea what it's going to be. They use a lot of different things. Last month's flavors I called his and her. We got bourbon for my husband, although I enjoyed them too, and Irish cream for me. I'm going to take these two out, trying not to look at them. Okay, and let's dig in first and see what the bonus item is. Okay, we have our paperwork on top. We have the, what is this? Oh, April's Marshmallow of the Month. So this is going to tell us all of the cheating information. We don't want to see that yet. We have the You Have Great Taste, Darling. And the back of this just answers questions like, if you love them, can you get them on repeat? Should you put them in the fridge? Which the answer is no. They're so cute. Can I take pictures? Yes. And then it tells you what hashtags to use on Insta. That kind of thing. And we have two little adorable stickers that say, I love you s'more. So cute. All right, our first bonus item is Totally 90s Trivia. 100 pop culture questions. That is fun. I love to play games. Something you should know about me, we don't get to talk about much here on the YouTubes. I love playing games. I just love sitting around with friends. And the questions on the back are, what is the name of U2's guitarist? The Edge, the Spike, or the Rock? I'm giving you guys time to think about it. It doesn't give me the answers here, at least that one doesn't, but it's the Edge. That is information that does happen to be in my brain. Another question, in which year, I'm not great with years, they all blur together. In which year was the first Tamagotchi released in Japan? 1994, 1995, or 1996? I'll give you a minute to think about that. Can anybody nail that down? I suspect unless you're a Tamagotchi lover, that's a hard one to nail down. The answer? 1996, which leads us into, I'm guessing, the other bonus item we have from them is, I think, meant to look like a Tamagotchi. That is what it looks like. I will pass this one along to one of my grands. Oh, when you take it out, it's almost heart-shaped, and that is what it looks like. I actually got the 10-year-old granddaughter a Tamagotchi for Christmas, and the beauty of it is now when you get the real Tamagotchi ones, you can put your pixelated picture in it, so it makes it look like you're in there really taking care of the pet. I know, that's really off-brand. It has the little part at the back that you take out to start using the battery, and since I'm not going to play with it, I'm not going to do that yet, but that is what that looks like. So we're going with a very 90s box. We have Tamagotchi and 90s quiz cards. These are totally awesome, and I have people that will love this. Okay, let's dig into the marshmallows. I have them upside down so I can't see the flavor. So this is the first one you guys officially know before me. We have, oh, bubble gum. Look how pink they are. You guys probably saw that before I did. That is amazing. So this is a set of 12, and I'll do like I always do. We'll finish talking about them up here in just a minute, and we'll go downstairs and give them a try. Oh, they're so soft. They're always soft, but these feel extraordinarily soft. The color that you're seeing, that crazy bright pink, is exactly what they look like in real life. They are so pink. I cannot wait to go down and open these up. It's something that I learned after, and this is I think the 4th month maybe that I've done this, something that I learned after last month's unboxing was that each month you get the flavor of the month and another flavor from their line. That's why the boxes always look different. I always thought it was odd that the boxes were different. That's why. So this is the April flavor of the month. So you can just, if you wanted to try these, you could just go online. You wouldn't have to buy the subscription box. You can just buy these. And it says it's iconic. It's childish. It's a pop of good fun. Bubblegum is a flavor that immediately makes us think of big pink balloons, summer camp, and giggling with our girlfriends. Now we've made one of the most requested customer flavors into a delicious 90s inspired marshmallow, which is why we got what we got for bonus items. That is awesome. These are gluten-free, egg-free, and preservative-free. It will tell you on the back they are all different. Most of them I have found are made with the beef gelatin. So if that is something that offends, they make most of their marshmallows with the beef gelatin. This one is high fructose corn syrup, pure cane sugar, water, gelatin, vanilla, bubblegum extract, salt, pink color, powdered sugar, cornstarch, pan spray. So that is what is in this one. The other flavor we have is cotton candy marshmallow. Box of 12. I can already tell just through the little window, those are gonna be so pretty. And this says the ultimate in nostalgia, cotton candy marshmallows. These delicious cubes of joy bring back fond memories of begging for cotton candy at carnivals and on trips to the circus. Never a fan of the circus. Let me know below. Did you like the circus? I don't know if it was the clowns. I don't know what it was. Look how pretty these are. These are so pretty, especially this one. Is that coming across? They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back. And you don't even know how sad today's story is. My husband and I just taped a really cute try of both of the marshmallows. And then I went to transfer it from the new camera that I'm trying out onto my tablet. And for some reason, I got a nice new mic and that camera doesn't like it. I am done with it. We are breaking up that camera and me. So I just came on to tell you really quickly that we liked both of the marshmallows. It feels disingenuous to act surprised about them again with you. So there was the bubblegum one. We both agreed this one, I mean, if you insist, I'll have another one. But we both agreed this one tastes exactly like bubblegum. They're so good. They're light and fluffy. You can tell they're just really, really good. This one is sweet. It tastes exactly like bubblegum. We both said that we liked this one, although my husband did say it had a little bit of an aftertaste with it. But we also both agreed that we liked this one better. And this one is the cotton candy. And he put this in his mouth and it was love at first bite. This one is so good and it's pretty too. Look how pretty it is. You can see the pink and the white in layers, and it tastes exactly like cotton candy. It's hard to eat these and keep them out of your lipstick. It is so good. I mean, it tastes exactly like they made cotton candy into a marshmallow. I know, it's kind of what they did, but both of these flavors this month were absolutely delicious. I already have maize. I've had this one so long that I am late getting up with it, but I'm gonna wait a week or so before I open it so that we can enjoy through these, because these usually last us, I know it sounds ridiculous, but they usually last us the whole month until we get to the next month's one, because we just each have one every couple days. These might go more quickly because we both said how much we absolutely love these. The only thing my husband really had to say about either of them that was negative is it wasn't the bourbon ones. Last month we got bourbon and Irish cream and they were both delicious, but those bourbon ones were, if you like bourbon, they were delicious. All right, thanks so much for coming by, guys. I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and go get yourself a little treat. Bye, guys.